To fix a router that won't connect to the internet, it's essential to identify the root cause of the issue. The problem may stem from issues with your internet service provider, faulty router settings, or an outdated and damaged router. If the issue lies with your provider, it's possible that there's a scheduled maintenance or outage in your area, which can be confirmed by contacting your internet service provider to inquire about their maintenance schedule. If an outage is indeed the cause, the only solution is to wait it out. However, if there's no outage, resetting the router is a viable option. This process involves unplugging both the router and modem from the wall outlet, waiting 2 minutes, then plugging in the modem and switching it on. After waiting another 2 minutes, plug in the router and wait an additional 2 minutes before connecting your computer and running a speed test to assess the connection. In cases where the router is old or damaged, with visible signs of wear such as damaged buttons, and a steady connection cannot be established, it may be necessary to consider replacing the router with a new one. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and restore your internet connection.